Hello and welcome to the greatest real estate video that you're ever going to watch. No, just in all seriousness, this is a pretty good one. So, my name is Robert Newman. I am a real estate technology founder. I'm a 13-year veteran of the real estate marketing business, and I also co-host a podcast called the Mail Right Real Estate Agent Show. And I have done 100 episodes of this show, which means I've spent 18 months, and we have gotten more and more popular. And guess what? We've also gotten some really amazing guests. One of those amazing guests was the awesome, incredible chief marketing officer for a company by the name of BombBomb. His name is Stephen Passanelli, and Stephen revealed a secret to us that was incredible. He showed us how using two inexpensive basic pieces of technology that almost anybody could afford and anybody could use, how an agent by the name of Jimmy Burgess made $11 million. That's right, you heard it, 11 million with an M dollars in sales in 90 days. He used this technique once a day, every day for 90 days. Now, I wasn't there. I'm not Jimmy. I'm getting this through telephone. I am, however, a 35-year salesperson myself. I did get a fairly good story. You can go back and listen to the episode yourself and decide whether or not, which was which was episode number 232 for the Mail Right show. And you can just Google the Mail Right podcast 232 and you'll get sent right to the episode. So how cool would that be? In addition, I am doing this video as a companion piece to my blog post called the seven real estate podcast legends give away the best money making secrets, and this is secret number 3, and it's the only one I think that I'm going to do a video for on this series. So without any further ado, get ready. I promise you, I've debated whether or not I even wanted to share this on my public YouTube channel. But I'm going to. So first and foremost, do you have a list of warm contacts, friends, family, people that you've done business with, or just people that you've been talking to about real estate for years? Because if the answer is yes, then this tactic, my friends, is for you. All right. So here we go. Without any further ado, this tactic requires that you have a $29.99 membership to BombBomb. What BombBomb does is it sends out a video email. Yes, you heard me right. In the email itself, a video will open up without them having to use an email. It's a wildly personal way to send email. It increases engagement a lot. So here, in the days of COVID, is how I would use this particular tool. I live in or around a place called Sherman Oaks, and this is pretty close to where I live, okay, 4454. I have another friend that lives in this neighborhood as well, and I'm going to pretend that I'm talking to him. So James, this is Robert Newman, and I know it's been a little while since I've spoken to you, but and obviously things are pretty uncertain right now in the days of COVID, and I'm sure that a couple of years ago that we talked about you listing your home, and I just wanted to let you know where the market was standing right now. Obviously, this may not be the time to list, and I'm not even suggesting that. I just, being stuck at home, I had some time on my hands, and I thought I would attempt to be of service. So I just wanted to let you know that 2 other homes in your neighborhood have recently sold. Their sales price was roughly about 13.7% off what the price was last year, which is about 30% more than what you bought your home for in 2010. The homes that sold we're right over here on Calhoun Avenue, this home over here, which was 2544 Calhoun. And of course, this home over here on Tyrone. Now, the one on Tyrone, which is right over on your street, is actually a little bit smaller than your home. So we're guessing that the sales price would roughly be equivalent should we try to list the house. This home sold about 3 weeks ago, and the actual sales price was $975,000. So listen, I know that you're probably very much in tune with staying home. I also wanted to let you know that should you be interested in it, I picked up this amazing list of 450 things that you could be doing in order to list or improve your home. And if you're stuck there anyway, maybe this list might interest you. If it is, just go ahead and respond to this email, shoot me back something, and we'll go ahead and shoot over that PDF to you, and hopefully, it'll be of use to you. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for tuning in. Much appreciated. Goodbye. So one way or the other, the notes that you want to hit is you want to make sure that you're talking about the neighborhood. You want to make sure that you're personally of service, and I really do have a list of 450 items a PDF that is not my PDF. It's another one of my tips, and I'm going to shamelessly plug my 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 blog post and say in the description notes for this video there will be a link back to the podcast itself if you would like an access to this list, which is free, and you don't even have to give me your email for it. It's literally free and without any hooks, no information transfer. You just go get the list, but you got to go to my blog post, and I'm fingers crossed you're actually going to read it, because if you like this tip, then you'll like the other 6 tips that are all just as big of a game changers as this one is. All right, thanks for tuning in. Hope you got something from this. If you did, go ahead and mash that subscribe button, because I will be dropping tips just like this one, and they will like change your real estate business. All right, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.